All right, guys, just a little bit of update, progress on the Jeep CJ. So a couple things I figured out. I took a look at the engine block. We do have a 360 V8 instead of the 304, so that's been replaced. Working on finishing up the winch mount here. That's been a cluster. Nothing seems to fit this thing. I don't know. I haven't worked on a 70s vehicle before. Maybe the engineering's just piss poor. But we've got the winch mount on. That's a Warren, made for a CJ frame. And then what else have we done here? Let me just go over some parts that we've bought here. Right now, I'm just running the cables. I put them in a sheathing, and there's our winch power cables right there. There's our Quadratech Q1100, 11,000 winch. I've just got to make one more connection back here with this ground wire, and that's all done. I've got a couple bolts, but I got to take the bumper off here so I can tighten these bolts down. And then I think the plan here on the bumper is I'm just gonna chop it like this. I did get my front shackles on. I still gotta fix the rears. Let me show you on the back here. I did a 3/4 inch lift shackle. That's all I'm gonna do right there. So you see they've broken off the frame. I don't know how that happens, but it's on both sides like that. I did buy a full cage. Ooh. Did buy a full cage there for it. I also bought a newer complete vehicle wiring harness because the one in here is garbage. So what else we got going on here? I'm gonna buy some floor pans. I'm gonna buy some seats for the front. I'm gonna start painting everything. Was that toilet paper? Probably, that'd be my luck. And then we're gonna get a couple ammo boxes for the back here behind the seat. We're gonna mount them behind the seat here for storage so I can lock some stuff up, like recovery equipment. They're gonna be waterproof ammo boxes. So I gotta go through, weld up a lot of seams and stuff here. I'm gonna grind them, get some armor, probably for the sides, plate it. And then I have rocker guards down somewhere around here for it. And then I've got the Fox shocks off my Gladiator. I'm gonna see if those will fit and work on here. So just basically we're gonna go from front and work our way all the way back and make sure we get everything done right. We're gonna clean, paint, and coat this whole thing. I've got the windshield and hood over here. I'm going to go with flat fenders. That's what I'm thinking right now. I want to do tube fenders on it. So I think if that's the route, I'll go with it for now. But anyway. Anyway, it's about the progress we've made so far on this. I will probably do EFI, and then we're gonna get rid of the Ford Motorcraft garbage ignition system. I don't really like that stuff. So there's a conversion kit out there to a Chevy HEI, and it'll just clean up all the wiring and crap under the hood. So looking forward to doing that. Delete some of the garbage down here and just make it run really nice. It does run. I'll have to do a video. I got to redo a lot of plumbing, and the fuel tank is out of it right now. So anyway, that's a quick update on the CJ. I haven't been filming a whole lot of it because it's just a bunch of stupid stuff I'm trying to get to work right now. So hopefully it'll look nice when it's all done. It's been kind of a pain so far. I'm trying to clean up the frame. I haven't had a whole lot of time. I got too many other things going on right now and dirt on my head. So anyway, that is an update on that for now. Thanks for watching. Peace out.